This is April 14th, 2015. This is my 1977 MGB. I've rebuilt the engine. I've got about 11,000 miles on the rebuild. I've converted it to twin SU carburetors, HS4s they are. Which is what you're seeing right here are the HS4 carburetors. I just put them back together last week. I reshafted them. Throttle shafts were leaking. I was getting an erratic idle. So I fixed that. It's a 1.8 liter. And what I've got on here for wheels are a Datsun 240Z. Polished them up and painted the inserts. I think they look pretty nice on the car. And that's it.